The summertime is around the corner, and today we talking barbecue, and nothing says barbecue like flavor. And in order to have a really good flavor in your barbecue, you have to infuse deep flavor into your proteins or whatever you're cooking, and that starts with a rub. Now, what a barbecue rub is gonna do is give you a nice bark on the outside, that nice crust. It's gonna infuse deep flavor, as I mentioned, and depends on what you use, could be the difference between something great and something basic. I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade version, which is not only delicious, but it saves you a few dollars, but it's super easy to make. Now, in order to get this done, you need 10 essential ingredients. Like I say, easy to find. And the first one we're gonna start with is your brown sugar. Now, the brown sugar is very important because what it's gonna do is give you the caramelization and give you that sweetness that we like in our barbecue. After the brown sugar, next you wanna add in some smoked paprika. And the addition of that smoked paprika is gonna give you a nice smoky, rich flavor. And the next we're gonna do is do 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and black pepper. Now, before we begin, we just wanna mix that up a little bit and get those seasonings together before we add the additionals. Look at that. This is starting to smell really good. Now what we're gonna do is add a tablespoon each of granulated onion and a little garlic powder, because what this is gonna do is add a nice little sweet and savory base. Now we got a tablespoon of the chili powder, and also we want to add a little earthiness with the fresh cumin. You're going to do a tablespoon of that as well. And we're going to continue to mix that up just a little bit. And just like that, that's the ultimate barbecue rub that you can now make at home. It's super easy to make, it smells fantastic, and it's super delicious. Now, don't be surprised if at your next barbecue, when you use this, everybody asking what happened, why does stuff taste so good? And you could say, I'm rocking with He's Got Flavor. Now, if you would like to store some of this for future use, don't forget to store it in an airtight container, like a mason jar or similar, so that it always maintains the freshness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Check out my other videos, and I hope your barbecues this summer are delicious.